Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Paul Sample. In today's video, I'm going to give you the top 4 winning products that you can start selling right now on your Shopify Dropshipping store or on e-commerce website. If you want to learn more, stay with me in this video. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to like this video. That I can recommend you to sell on your store is called Waist Shaper. There is a demand about this product. As you can see, so many people have ordered this product, and the price also is affordable. As you can see, for the last few days, there are more orders or people who have ordered this product. So there are so many people who want to buy this product. So what you should do is just to concentrate on marketing and on marketing. So if you learn successful ads, you'll get so many orders about this product, because there are so many people who are fighting to solve this problem. People want to shape their bodies. There are so many out there, and it's not only a seasonal product. This we call evergreen product, because it won't run out of fashion. This is not a fashion. It's about solving people's problems. There are so many people out there who want to solve their problems. So if you sell this product, we know that it is clear that you will get so many customers. As you can see here, also the number of orders here in the past few days tells us that so many people out there who are in need of this product. And the good thing that you can sell this product anywhere in the world. The sellers in this site accept orders from different parts of the world. So wherever you are, you can order this product. And if we check the buyers' ratings, it's also good. As you can see here, one of the buyers says, "Great quality, I love it, and it fits perfectly." So as you can see here, most of the buyers have rated this product well. So this means that it solves their problems and it meets their needs. So you have no excuse right now, because even the price is only $3.4 to 3.6. So it's affordable. So you can start selling this product now, and you don't have to worry anything, because there are other buyers who have already satisfied with this product. So this tells us that even when you order this product, is another product that you can sell on your Shopify store or Shopify Dropshipping store or your e-commerce website. It's called Smart Bracelet Heart Rate Monitor. And this product is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about rainfall and other related issues. So this product also has highly rated by the buyers. As you can see, more than 4.8. So out of 4,000 buyers have rated 4.8. So this shows that most of the buyers that bought this product are satisfied with the product. So also, if you order and sell on your store, whether it's a dropshipping store or an e-commerce website, you'll get so much sales. What you need is just to concentrate on marketing and marketing. So this is how the product looks like. Usually this kind of product, you'll get user manual. So the seller will send you a user manual on how to use this one. So even if you don't know how to use it, even in case you get questions from the buyers, I do suggest that you buy a sample so that you can know how this product operates. Buy one sample, but others you can use you can drop ship them. But it's better if you have knowledge on how this product works. In case you get questions from the buyers, you can be able to respond to the questions. So you can buy even one sample, but others you can just drop ship. So this also is among of the winning products. So if you want to sell this product, you'll get so much sales. What you need is just marketing skills. And you can promote in different websites. You can promote on even using social media. You can use Facebook ads. You can use Instagram influencers. You can use, and you can drive traffic for free using Pinterest. Pinterest is the best site to you to get free traffic to your website. So what you need here is traffic to your website, but you'll get so many customers who will buy this product because it solves people's problems. The products that solves people's problems are winning products. Especially that you can sell is this product. It's called electric neck roller or massager. As you can see here, the orders of this product in the past few days, more than 4,000 buyers have ordered this product in the past few days. So this tells us that if you also intend to sell this product, this also is a winning product. This product also is among of the winning products if you want to sell in your dropshipping store or on your e-commerce website. So how to use this product, you read in the description. The sellers put the description there. Also, maybe they provide a user manual. You can ask the seller, but this also is a winning product. So as you can see here, how to use. Here is how the product looks like, as you can see here. Also, the seller offers free shipping, as you can see here. It costs only 27 US dollars, 27.6 US dollars. And the rating of this product is very good. As you can see here, is 4.9 out of 5. So the buyers are satisfied with the product. This tells us that the buyers have been impressed and satisfied with the quality of the product. So you don't have to worry about quality because other previous buyers have already experienced and confirmed that the product is good, if not best. As you can see here, the rating is good, 4.9, which is a good rating. One of the winning product is called blackhead remover. As you can see here, this product has high potential to get customers. This product has got so many sales or orders in the past few days. I will show you later. And the product costs only 4.6 US dollars and can be shipped worldwide, as you can see here. These are a potential product if you want to sell on your store because so many customers have ordered this product. So many customers have ordered this product in the past few days. And the seller ships almost all over the world. So let us check the number of orders that this product has got in the past few days. As you can see here, more than 42,000 sales within past few days. So if you calculate these sales, these orders, plus 4 times 4.6 US dollars, so the sale of this product has got more than 200,000 sales within past few days. So to sell this product in your store also, you can make a lot of money as the seller has already made a lot of money. As you can see here, a lot of money. And the rating also is good. As you can see here, the buyers have rated this product 4.8 out of 5. So this indicates that the buyers, the consumers,
are satisfied with the quality of this product, as you can see here. Here are the details if you want to learn more about these products, the benefits. The benefits of these products is deep cleansing, removing blackhead, acid treatment, shrinking pores, and so forth. So it can stay in a shelf within 3 years. So you don't have